In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know how to stop unwanted senders so their existing messages are cleared out and new ones never reach your inbox. Start by opening a web browser and going to yahoo.com. If you're taken to a regional version of the site, that's fine. The steps are the same. Look to the top right and choose Sign In. Enter your login information and complete any verification prompts. Make sure you're signing into the account where the unwanted emails are arriving. Once you're in, click the mail icon at the top right to open Yahoo Mail. When your mailbox loads, navigate to your inbox from the left-hand side so you're seeing the emails you receive most often. Give the page a moment to finish loading. You'll want the toolbar at the top of the message list to be visible. Find a message from the sender you want to block. Select it by clicking the checkbox next to that email. Selecting one message from that sender is enough for this process. If you're not sure it's the right sender, hover over the From line to confirm the email address before proceeding. With the message selected, look at the toolbar above your emails and click the three dots menu. Depending on your screen size, it might be labeled More. If you don't see it, try expanding your browser window or reducing the zoom so the full toolbar appears. In that menu, choose Block Sender. This opens a confirmation window explaining what will happen. You'll see options that typically include removing existing messages from this sender and preventing future emails from reaching your inbox. Check all the available boxes in this prompt. This ensures two things happen at once. All current emails from this sender are deleted, and future messages from them are blocked automatically. It's the quickest way to clean up your inbox and keep it clean going forward. When you're ready, click OK to confirm. Yahoo Mail will process the request, remove the selected sender's existing emails if you chose that option, and add the sender to your block list so new messages are stopped. That's it. You've blocked the sender and protected your inbox. A few tips as you go. If the message is from a legitimate newsletter you actually subscribe to, consider unsubscribing first. Blocking is best for persistent spam or unwanted senders. If you ever block someone by mistake, you can review or adjust your blocked list later in your Yahoo Mail settings. And remember, the exact wording of menus can vary slightly, but the process is the same. Select the email, open the three dots menu, choose Block Sender, confirm, and you're done.